Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Reels lag on Instagram. So, first open up your Instagram. If you're having problem with the Reels, that is, the Reels keeps lagging on Instagram, what do you do? First of all, there are several things you can do to fix the Reels lag, or to try and fix Reels lag on Instagram. The first thing you do is check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection is a common cause of Reels lag. So make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or a good cellular data connection. The second thing you can do is to close all background apps. Other apps running in the background can consume resources and slow down Instagram, so close any app you are not using. The third one is to clear the Instagram cache. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted and cause problems. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. 4. You can restart your device. The fourth thing you can do is to restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the lag. Then the fifth thing you can do is to update the Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvement. Don't forget to free up storage space. If your device is slow on storage, it can slow down overall performance. Delete any unnecessary files or apps. And lastly, you can reduce video quality. If you're using cellular data, you can try reducing the video quality in Instagram settings. This can help reduce buffering and lag. If you have tried all of these steps and are still experiencing lag, it is possible that there's an issue with your device or the Instagram app itself. I hope you found this video helpful on how to fix Reels lag on Instagram. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day.